Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Spencer, and welcome back to my shop. I'm excited to start on a new project today. A friend of mine and I drove up from Atlanta, Georgia, all the way to Cleveland, Ohio to pick up this 1915 Triumph LW Junior. I've already started working on this thing a little bit. I've pulled the carburetor off of it, the magneto, the primary chain cover, stuff like that, and started refurbishing it a little bit. But today I'd like to pull the engine out and build a stand for it so I can work on it on my bench easily without knocking it over a bunch of times. So thanks for tagging along. We'll get started on it now. So that actually went much easier than I expected. All the motor mount bolts were already loose and they moved freely. Like somebody had pulled this engine out a long time ago, maybe with the intention to refurbish it and then lost interest or found something that I'm about to find that they couldn't fix. In an effort to make things as easy as possible on myself, which I so often try to do, I took a 3D scan of the engine cases and then put it in Fusion 360 and reverse engineered from there to come up with this stand design. I also programmed my plasma table in Fusion 360 as well. This only took a few minutes to cut out and saved me a lot of time with hand tools having to do it all. So the engine stand is prepped and ready to weld. It was 2 inches for the front motor mount and 1.5 for the rear, so I made this 2 inches wide, so I'll have to make some 1/4 inch spacers for each side on the rear. I've shimmed up each side of this ever so slightly so that it opens it up just a hair past 2 inches so that it can clamp as I tighten this up. I used a tab and slot method here to locate everything. There's tabs on the bottom of these plates, slots in the base plate, just to hold everything where it should be. Everything's just tacked in place now. I'm just going to do a quick test fitment before I weld this thing out completely. Well, it's not my most beautiful work, but it should get the job done and hold this engine while I start taking stuff apart. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun building this engine stand for this old 1915 Triumph. I hope you guys will tune in. I have a lot more planned for this bike. It's going to take a lot to get this thing on the road again, but I'm looking forward to the challenge. We'll see you next time.